In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to change artist name in DistroKid. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser and head over to the DistroKid website, provide your credentials and log into your account. To access the artist name option, click on Upload Music. Even if you are planning to release a new song right now, this upload page is where DistroKid lets you choose or change the primary artist name for your release. After the upload form opens, scroll down until you reach the artist or band name section. This is one of the most important fields in the upload process because the exact spelling, capitalization, punctuation, and spacing you enter here will be sent to streaming services like Spotify, Apple Music, Amazon Music, and others. If you are releasing music under an existing artist profile, make sure the name matches your previous releases exactly. Next, click the change option beside the artist or band name field. DistroKid will display the artist name already associated with your account, and you will have the option to enter a different artist name if you want to release music under a new identity. If your current DistroKid subscription only supports a single artist name, and you attempt to use a different one, DistroKid will let you know that you will need to upgrade your plan before continuing. This helps keep your releases organized and prevents confusion across streaming platforms. Before moving forward, carefully review the artist name you have entered, double check the spelling, capitalization, spaces, and any special characters. And that's all there is to it. This way you can easily change artist name in DistroKid. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.